Hi Shana, I'm going to make this as quick as possible because this is recording in a massive file here. So I'm going to just very quickly go over some breathing techniques and tips with you. Now, this is just to do with breathing. I have more in-depth breathing techniques if you want to learn some more. But what I would suggest is that we want to try to breathe. Okay, I'm marking out the V of my ribs. So this is the V of my ribs here. Okay, so that's where the V of my ribs are. So if I draw a line across, it's got this triangular area here. So into this triangular area here, more so nearly at the bottom is your diaphragm. That's a muscle that makes you breathe. Okay, so if we talk about diaphragm, that's where the diaphragm sits underneath the lungs. What we want to try to do, Shana, is you want to, whenever you have time, you want to try to breathe in through your diaphragm. So we want to try to get this technique down. So this is probably how you normally breathe if you've had no lessons. Watch me. So you probably breathe up here and then out. You can see how short that is. That's a bronchial breath. But if you've ever had the unfortunate situation of being punched, hit or kicked around this area here, or fallen off a horse and landed on your back, you may have been winded. 90% of your lungs are around here, and you've done anatomy and your lungs are pear-shaped or they're blade-shaped. So they're bigger down here than what they are up top. We want to try to breathe down. So when you're breathing, try to think that you're breathing into your belly button, into your intestines, into the lower part of the lungs. So I'm just going to show you a technique. I've got my hand here in that V, okay? Now, what I do is I breathe out all my air. I've got no air. Now I'm skinny. I'm pulling my stomach in. Now, as I breathe air in, I'm pretending I'm breathing into my little finger and my stomach comes out. Watch me. As I breathe air out, I'm skinny. As I breathe air in, I'm big down here. You see my top hand's not working. So watch this. Watch my top hand. I'll flip it around. So that's what we're doing. So as I'm breathing air in, it's big down here. As I breathe air out, it's skinny. This also happens this way as well too. When I breathe air in, you can see it expanding this way and out like that. What you want to try to do is you want to try to breathe like that. If you get that breathing down, please let me know. This is called professional diaphragmatic singing breathing, okay? So this means you're breathing from your diaphragm. The big point about this is that we can load this up, and if we tighten this, you get this pressure, yeah! And I can go really firm and really loud, and this does all my work, and this is what enables me to sing all day long, and Taylor Swift to sing a 3-hour concert, and the Foo Fighters to do 2.5 hours. So this does all my work. This does not much at all. I also do bridges, crunches, and planks a couple of times a week. They greatly, greatly help me out. I also do martial arts as well too, so core strength is a big one. But try to just get that, what we call a diaphragmatic breath happening. When you get that, please let me know, okay? Because then I can teach you some other things. I can go really deep into breathing. I can show you where to breathe, how to apply this into singing, into every song. I can go deeper into breathing. I can show you where to breathe in songs. I can mark little breath slashes. I think I've already done that on some of the lyrics. But let me know that you got this and you understand it. I'm trying to make this as quick as I can because this is a big, big file. Bye-bye.